The stylus itself has also gone through a bit of a facelift, with a more sensitive, narrower fiber tip to give that real pen feel, and finer point of contact. There are a few of those de rigueur stylus features rolled in as well, including a proximity sensor if your phone strays too far from the stylus, screen off note taking and automatic memo apps. Keep in mind, however, that the device isn't as premium and doesn't have as many features as the Samsung's Note line. The stylus has a plastic, though well-made, construction, a 720p display, and its processor isn't as fast. Other specs include LG Stylus 3 specs, 5.7-inch, 1280x720 pixel resolution screen, 3GB memory, 16GB storage, expandable to 2TB, 8MP front camera, 13MP rear camera, 3200 mAh removable battery, Android 7.0 Nougat, 155.6mm by 79.8mm by 7.4mm, 149 grams. Stylus. Fingerprint scanner. Ignoring its glaring safety issue, the Note 7 had an elegant, glass body that was water resistant and top of the line specs. Its stylus, known as the S10, and accompanying software packed in way more features and tools too, like eye tracking software and productivity apps.